Hello Android users, in this video I will tell you how to Paytm a particular contact whom you have paid already through Paytm, right? So for this we will go to Paytm first, and there are two options. First is scan and pay and other is to mobile slash contact. You will tap on to mobile slash contact and the suggestions that you will get, those are the one whom you have paid, right? So you will select the one whom you have to pay, then you will tap on to pay. You will enter the amount or add any message you want to, right? And then you will proceed and mention and choose the account and then tap on pay this much account, and then you will enter your code, and then the payment will be transferred right away. You will get the reference number and everything, and that is how we pay to a contact whom we have paid previously. And yes, just make sure that you share the screenshot with that person so they are also confirmed, by chance they don't get the notification. See you in the next video. Tada.